Hey everybody, it's me Andrew and this is Great Days. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to read you a poem called Nature Success. However, I'm not going to get into that right now. I'm going to talk some succession by nature and build my way up to the poem. Maybe it'll be like a 10-minute video, I don't know. Let's get right into talking about nature successes, okay? For one, I am a success of nature, precisely according to my geometry, which is literally perfection manifested in a body. Okay, I'm literally light. That's a success. Nature being able to manifest light in a bounded form, that's literal success if there was ever one. Me changing my life is a success that is currently happening right now. Yoga helps profoundly with this. A lot less turmoil in my mental body. Another success would be going and meditating for a few months, up to 4 or 5 months as I have been doing. That's a huge success. I literally feel gracious as I walk through the universe, and I just perceive all her succession around me, within me, as me. When I am aligned with the universal geometry, there's such a state of superflow. That is such a success. That is one of nature's successes. My bad. I feel very successful about waking up today. Okay, I can literally die any day from this point on. That's a truth. And that should get you also in the momentum of manifesting your dreams, because you can die any day. So click that little eye right there and manifest your dreams. Reprogram your mind. Reprogramming your mind to manifest your dreams and live life blissfully is a success, and we should all get in tune with that reprogramming, okay? Another success is having the ability to perceive in such clarity, or we can even say having the potentialities of perceiving life in a higher vibrational consciousness, which I am making way for to give to you. So once you start projecting those hues of the chakra, there's 7 in all, you are already in a higher vibrational state. You're generating static electricity. You're generating love, bliss throughout your entire day. That's a succession right there. That's one of nature's successes. Take that. Loving yourself is a success. Okay, people try and keep you away from loving yourself, but literally it is an inevitable flow of life to love yourself, so keep that as well. That's a success that you were able to take that virtually through the screen. Synchronize your imagination with me. Synchronicity, if you know Carl Jung, it's meaningful coincidence, like being able to bring out the sun from the veil of the clouds by chanting Om, the universal sound, the primordial sound. That's success. That's synchronicity as well. Thank you, Carl Jung. Check him out for in-depth psychology, psychoanalytics. Check him out for psychotherapy. Check them out for psychiatric studies. Check them out for deep dreamscape travel, or even manifesting your dreams as well from that. That's a success. A lot of succession in nature. In fact, there's literally only succession. What would bring nature away from succession? Desires are one to bring nature away from success, due to the fact that if I desired food right now, or if I desired pleasure, or if I desired whatever it was I desired, that would bring me to a lesser state of succeeding what I needed to be attaining in order to bring about success. Or you could even say paradoxically that desires themselves are what grant succession most of the time. But I'd go with the first one, desire being a momentum that brings you away from seeing life succession. Could be, or it could, like I said, paradoxically be a means of granting succession, which it is. And it is also the first one, hence paradoxical. Let's go with you being successful in realizing that you are nature and you are successful. So smile for that. Thank you. Generate some love for that. Be successful even more so. I'm gonna get into this poem now. It's literally 7 minutes. So get into these poem. It's literally like it's literally a stanza. It's not even long, but it's super dope. Nature success. I literally just wrote it, and then I was like, okay, this is a video right here. I just gotta find it. Filled up my book already with geometry, videos, astrology, knowledges, a lot, okay? A lot of stuff. I am very successful in filling up my books. That's another success of nature. Me being one with nature. Actually, everybody is nature, okay? So if you're successful today in anything, be gracious, show some gratitude to yourself, and loop that gratitude and chorus it and hook it, because you deserve more gratitude, and that's generation. Keep generating that gratitude. Here it is. Nature Success by Andrew Vyadhyal. In the awe of things, the trees, the bees, make way, the beloved, the songs we sing. In the days we're freed, this is where love is. Nature's success is when we wake the dream. Okay? It's a beautiful, beautiful little poem. Magic, really. In the awe of things, the bees, the trees, in the awe of things, the trees, the bees, make way, the beloved, the songs we sing. This is where love is. Sorry, I'm getting all mixed up. In the awe of things, the trees, the bees, make way, the beloved, the songs we sing. In the days we're freed, this is where love is. Nature's success is when we wake the dream. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna bring it about one more time. I'm gonna read it for you one more time, because I you know, tangled up my words a little bit. I was juggling and I just dropped all the balls. In the awe of things, the trees, the bees, make way, the beloved, the songs we sing. In the days we're freed, this is where love is. Nature's success is when we free the dream. Is when we wake the dream. God damn it. Okay. In the awe of things, the trees, the bees, make way, the beloved, the songs we sing. In the days we're freed, this is where love is. Nature's success is when we free the dream. And I'm saying free, but I mean wake. One last time. Okay? In the awe of things, the trees, the bees, make way, the beloved, the songs we sing. In the days we're freed, this is where love is. Nature's success is when we wake the dream. Okay? Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. That last part is going to happen as well. 0 point energy, baby. If you know what this is, you are ascended. I will explain it throughout the channel's lifetime and get you generating 0 point energy via the light body, the Merkaba. Thank you for tuning in, however. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you for listening to the poem, Nature's Success. I love you. Generate some more static from your fingertips. Nikola Tesla proved this, okay? Higher vibrational frequencies, 0 point energies, 0 point energy, generate it, baby. Remember to love yourself. Remember to have a blessed day as well. Great Days is looking for you to cultivate your own wakefulness, paradoxically. Subscribe right here. Touch upon this video, like it, and generate some more static electricity from this higher vibrational content. Have a great day. Be sure to tune in again and be free.